Okay, let's get to it. We now have this is a sample Bicep code I created for a particular project, and I consummated it, and I am fine and good. Everybody's fine. So I'm just going to walk you through on it. So you can see how a Bicep code looks like. So you have number one, you have the main code. So in this main code, you have your main code, you have your parameter.json. I showed you guys what parameter.json actually means, right? I showed you this is the main code and so on and so forth. And the next thing again is modules. So this is the reason why I brought you guys here. So you have something called modules. Under the modules, you can have different resources categorized. You categorize your resources. So under virtual machine, you have some resources. Virtual machine, private endpoint, blah, 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 blah. Everything is under my virtual machine categorization. You understand? Under my container this thing, I have my container app environment, container instance categorization. Everything is under this container module. Under my data tool, I have my Databricks. Under my database, I have Cosmos DB, MariaDB SQL database. Everything is under my database module. Under my network module, then you definitely have your application gateway. Don't bore yourself, private DNS, and also all these things are my things kind of I created. Don't let it bore you. It's just what it is. And also you have your virtual network. I put my virtual network mainly under my network module. I have my web application firewall also under my network module. After that, I have my Redis cache. You can see my Redis cache here. Also, my security folder in my module, I have my key vault, my managed identity, roles, and so on and so forth. Anything that has to do with security, I have to put them in here also. And shared module. Under my shared module, I have my under my shared, I have my log analytics workspace for all my resources. Under my storage account, I have my blah 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 there also, and also that's my data lake, file storage account, and everything under this. And I have a README file, just majorly for me. I think I didn't write anything there actually. So this is just an advanced Bicep code. Can you see it? Any question based on this before I move on to the next thing?